Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and hello dear audience. First of all, thank you very much for the opportunity to speak today. And today I would like to talk about the topic that is very close to our daily life, especially for students, which is the impact of social media on English learning. Before I begin, I want to ask you something. Have you ever learned a new vocabulary or pronunciations from social media such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube? Nowadays, social media has become important for our daily lives. Many students use social media to study and also to improve their English learning. First of all, social media is a digital platform that allows people to communicate with others, share information, and also to create online content. Popular platforms include Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, and Facebook. And today, students use these platforms not only for entertainment, but also for education, specifically for English learning. We can find a lot of videos, tutorials, pronunciation tutorials from these platforms. So today, there will be three topics that I will talk about. First, the positive impact of social media in education. The second one is the negative impact of social media. And finally, I would like to share several ways how to use social media wisely for education. So let's move to the first topic, the positive impact of social media. So there's a lot of positive impact that we can gain from social media. And the first one is to increase students' vocabulary. As we know, many students use social media, and they often see captions, subtitles, or even comments in English. So it makes them learn a new vocabularies more easier and naturally. So it will be more easier to learn vocabulary from social media, because it is something that they see often in their daily life. So it's makes them more easier to gain and memorize vocabulary more naturally. And the second one, the benefits from social media is could improve listening and pronunciations. We can watch a lot of podcasts, videos in English, and by watching it every day, regularly, it makes us more familiar with pronunciations. So it will be more easier for us to improve our listening and also pronunciation by watching podcasts and videos on YouTube or on other platforms too. And the third one, the benefits. One of the benefits also is learning from social media. It's more interesting and flexible. We can find a lot of apps, a lot of websites that's more engaging. So it makes students more interesting to watch, to learn English from social media. And also we can learn anywhere and anything by using our smartphones. So it is very flexible to learn English from social media. Next, move on to the second topic. Even though there's a lot of benefits, there's also a negative impact of social media, which is one of the biggest problems is distractions. Many students spend too much scrolling through online entertainment that doesn't give a positive impact for their personal improvements. So instead of studying, they end up scrolling too much online on their social media. So that's one of the biggest problems on learning English. It could cause a distraction. So another negative impact is reduced face-to-face communications. As what we know, students mostly communicate online. So when they need to directly use and speaking in real life communication, they often less confidence on speaking line because they mostly communicate online. So the last topic is how to use social media wisely for education. So here are some steps how to use social media wisely. First, we need to limit screen time and avoid excessive scrolling. And the second one is we should combine learning from social media with books and also practice speaking so we could avoid those distractions from learning. And the last one, we should follow educational content that provide useful educational learning. In that way, we could use social media positively and avoid negative impact of social media. To conclude, social media have a strong impact on English learning. It can improve students' vocabulary, listening, pronunciation, and also motivations. But however, it could also cause distractions. Therefore, students know how to use social media smart and also responsibly. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.